4 ways to keep cut fruits fresh for a longer time. Number 1. A bowl of water with lemon juice. A fruit should be cut. The fresh fruit can keep up to 6 hours. Number 2. Citric acid is found in the market, which is used as a preservative. If the powder is spread over the cut fruit is fresh 10 to 11 hours. Fruit flavor is not lost. Number 3. Keep cutting the fruit in cold water with ice cubes. In this way fresh fruit will be cut to 3 or 4 hours. Number 4. Cut the fruit in the refrigerator wrapped in plastic to keep ripe. Good idea, but not more than 3 or 4 hours. Thank you for watching my video, and subscribe my channel.